Okay, give applause. Okay, now we are going to discuss about narrative text. Did you still remember about these materials? I've given you this material last week, right? Okay. Kan saya sudah menjelaskan materi ini ya di pertemuan sebelumnya. In Indonesian subject, you have given ya di materi bahasa Indonesia juga sudah dijelaskan tentang. Nah, kalau in Indonesia itu materinya apa? Teks narasi. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia adalah teks narasi. Saya yakin di mapel bahasa Indonesia sudah dijelaskan teks narasi. Bedanya cuma bahasanya saja. Ya kan, dirubah bahasanya, ditranslate in English. Ya kan? Strukturnya juga sama. Terus manfaatnya apa? Kalau kita belajar materi ini. Oke, saya tanya dulu. This why to watch or listen series or movie before you sleep. Okay, what's movie? Tadi what? Legend. Fable. Okay, and then anything else? Romance. Okay, jadi Sabrina, Stella, dan Mira itu suka melihat dan mendengarkan cerita sebelum tidur, before sleep. Jadi Mira suka yang romance, Stella suka yang fable. Fable itu apa ya?
Binatang.
Cerita hewan atau binatang. Kalau Sabrina sukanya yang legend atau legenda. In Indonesia have a lot of legend, right?
Yes.
Di Indonesia banyak sekali legenda, ya kan? Kalian tahu apa contohnya? Misalnya Malin Kundang, ya kan? Contohnya Malin Kundang. Pernah mendengar atau membaca? Pernah. Oke. Tahu semua ya? Oke. Terus hubungannya apa dalam kehidupan nyata? What is the connection in reality or in our life? Apa hubungannya? I believe it that the story or movie has a moral value, right? Jadi di dalam cerita dan film pasti ada yang namanya moral value. What is the meaning of moral value? Amanah atau pesan moral. Jadi hubungannya di kehidupan nyata itu tuh kita bisa, we can learn the moral value to our life lesson. Jadi kita bisa mempelajari pesan moral dan kita bisa menerapkannya di kehidupan nyata. Sudah punya gambaran? Oke. Terus tujuannya apa? Kita lihat ya. Oke. When we learn about the narrative text for the first, ya, there are two purposes of learning narrative text. For the first is you can identify generic structure of narrative text. Jadi kalian itu bisa mengidentifikasi generic structure in Indonesia, struktur teks, ya. Kita bisa mengidentifikasi struktur teks dalam naratif teks, ya kan? Terus yang kedua, you can analyze the conflict and then the moral value of narrative text. Conflict, what is the meaning of conflict? Nah, jadi kalian itu bisa menganalisis. Setelah kalian melihat or read the story, you can analyze the conflict and then the moral value, pesan moralnya, ya. Kalian bisa tahu. Next, I have some video. Just one, sorry. This one video, examples of narrative text. Please listen carefully. Ya. Jadi saya punya satu contoh video. Ya. Kalian dengarkan dengan sesama dan lihat dengan sesama. Judulnya adalah The Ant and the Grasshopper. Semut dan juga belalang. Okay, let's
the Grasshopper.
Chirp, chirp, I love summer. Chirp, chirp, I love singing.
Sang Grasshopper, resting on a tree on a hot summer day. While under the tree, Ant was sweating and slaving away.
Hey, Ant, life is too short to work so hard.
Grasshopper said to Ant, because Ant was working all summer long.
Listen, Grasshopper, if you don't prepare for winter now, you're going to starve. Oh, there's plenty of time. Why worry? I'm going to go back to my singing now. Chirp, chirp.
In no time, summer went and the freezing winter came. The wind howled and howled, and buckets of snow fell from the winter sky.
I'm so hungry. I'm so old. What if Ant is right and I'm starved to death?
Grasshopper went to look for food. But instead of finding food, he got lost in the snow. And he could barely move his legs anymore. Luckily, Grasshopper found Ant's house. He mustered up enough energy to knock on the door.
Please, Ant, will you give me some food? Or even just a crumb, please? Don't worry, Grasshopper. I have plenty of food. Come on in.
Grasshopper went inside. He sat next to the fire and ate until he couldn't eat anymore.
This is delicious. And I'm really sorry for making fun of you before. That was wrong of me. That's okay. You can help me next year.
It was then that Grasshopper finally understood why Ant had worked so hard in the summer. And he was thankful that he had such a good friend.
In your opinion, has the story included of narrative text?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. What style of narrative text are especially types? Tipenya apa? Fable? Is it right? Right?
Right.
Okay. Nanti akan kita bahas nanti. Okay. Terus, how many general structure of ya. Saya sudah membentuk kelompok ya minggu lalu ya kan, based on the result of diagnostic test, right?
Right.
Okay. Jadi I will give you some worksheets and explanations about narrative text ya. Okay. Group 2 and then group 3. I will give you some explanation first, okay? There are 5 questions, right? Ada 5 pertanyaan, ya kan? Kalian itu mengerjakan dengan your own group, dengan grup kalian, diskusi, ya, diskusi. Kalian baca and then analyze the text and then answer it. You can search all of the reference, ya, bisa browsing, ya, using your handphone, okay, from some references and YouTube, Google, books, and etc. Or dictionary, ya. Kalau kalian butuh bantuan handphone kalian bisa. Paham? I understand what I mean? The next assignment ini juga group, work in group. Kalian juga mencari, search all of the narrative text or all of the examples of narrative text. Kalian harus menganalisis konfliknya, masalahnya. Ya. What happened with the story that you choose before? Apa yang terjadi? Apa masalah yang kalian pilih? Masalahnya itu apa? Oke? Terus kalian analisis moral value-nya, pesan moralnya. Pasti di dalam cerita ada pesan moralnya. Okay, understand? And then, if you have done, you have to presentate. Yeah, you will choose one friend, only one friend. Yeah, to be a presenter, and then the other group can ask a lot of questions. Ya, jadi nanti kalian pilih salah satu teman kalian maju. Habis itu presentasi temuan kalian, ya kan? The presentation was finished, and you have to make some result. Ya, jadi kalian harus membuat hasil presentasi. Upload in your classroom group. Jadi kalian menguploadnya di grup kelas.
Saya mau setelah itu menjadi bagaimana atau
Bisa judulnya, bisa. You can write the title of the story.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, we are from first group. Today we will do presentation about the exam of narrative text. The title is The Legend of Sang Kuryang.
4, betul. Tepuk tangan untuk Sabrina. Semangat. Oke. Jadi ada orientation, habis itu complication, resolution, and reorientation. Terus ini ada the kinds of narrative text. Kita ada contoh narrative text ya. Ada fable, horror movie, and then history, science fiction, legend, myth, and then fairy tales, folklore, and then romance. Tadi yang sudah disebutkan Sabrina, Sela, dan Amira itu betul adalah contoh dari naratif teks. Paham? Tadi apa aja jenis strukturnya? Communication, resolution. Oke, good job. Terus tujuannya tadi apa? To entertain or to amuse the readers. Good job. Okay. Next meeting, we will discuss about narrative text too. Ya, kita masih membahas narrative text, tapi kita akan melakukan role play. Role play itu adalah bermain peran. Coba sekarang reflection ya, kalian cukup mencentang. Nah ini tuh terkait pembelajaran dan ini. Kalian mencentang yes or no. Oke. Okay guys, thanks for your attention today. Really so proud of you. And then I think enough for today. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.